Hey guys, so as you may know, there might be some problems while trying to install and run Camstudio Recorder. So when we run the installation and then try to launch the application, it'll just say that this application has failed to start because the application configuration is incorrect. And even though I have tried to reinstall it, same error. So what do? Well, first we'll go to the internet. Go to Google and then download this. And then click the first link and then download it. And then we'll start the download and then run it. Run. Next. And accept to the license terms and install. Finish. And then after that, Camstudio Recorder should work just fine. So that is it, and thanks for watching.